Stamp collecting. Following current events. Playing hockey. Taking croquet classes. Painting by numbers. Crocheting. Collecting records. Raising chickens. Cliff diving. Playing billiards. Sewing. Logging. Water skiing. Bowling. Whittling/carving. Sailing. Visiting museums or galleries. Surfing. Meditating. Doing yoga. Skydiving. Playing chess. Gardening. Playing basketball. Running. Learning Photoshop. Taking art classes. Programming/coding. Going to concerts. Rock climbing. Volunteering in the community. Camping. Baking. Cycling/riding your bike. Starting a side project/business. Swimming. Hiking/backpacking. Reading books. Learning self-defense. Learning photography. Cooking. Listening to music. Playing music.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.